Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how or what to do if Anydesk does not connect to your network. So very quickly, what you want to do is go to Settings. First, check the network and internet and make sure that you are connected to a certain Wi-Fi because Anydesk is quite a heavy application that uses a lot of your internet. So you want to make sure that it's connected to Wi-Fi. If you have an Ethernet cable, that's much better, secures connection. Now, if not, then if you are connected and still not connecting, then one of the main reasons may be the firewall. So from settings, type in Windows firewall, firewall and network protection. And then from here, go down, click this, allow an app through firewall, and then find Anydesk. So it should be here right in the front. There we go, Anydesk. So we want to make sure that Anydesk is on the public settings. So for this one, it is on public settings. So if it's on private, just toggle in on public, and automatically that would change and allow Anydesk to access the network. But before all of that, once you click on allow, you want to restart your computer. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.